on the car. You guys have seen the rear seat panels that I've taken off already. Those are pretty easy. All you gotta do is take the back seat out. As for the folding piece, there's 2 bolts right here. That's pretty much it. And then they're out, and that's what's holding them in outside of clips, and then they just pop out. So the next thing I'm gonna try to take off are the trim piece for the B and C pillars. You will probably have to take off the A pillars first to do that, because I do see that there's like a little lip right here under there. So I'm probably gonna do that, and then once I have all 4 of these pieces off, I'll probably look into taking off the headliner. The headliner itself does not look bad condition wise, but like when I revamp everything else, it's gonna stick out like a sore thumb. So if it's somewhat easy to get this thing out, I might just take it out today as well. Go over the process of this one, and after that we'll do the rest of the testing. But first thing, when it comes to wrapping anything, any trim pieces with fabric, you always want to prep the surface. I mean, that's what it is. That's what wrap, paint, fabric wrap, regular wrap, all that stuff. So I'm just gonna wipe this thing down. Wipe this stuff down. I wipe this down. Also, another thing is, I like to wipe down the back side of the edges because you will need them going forward. Do some good stuff and just preparation. Wipe it off, line it off, all the dirt stuff off. Let me show you what I'm using. Actually, this is type spray adhesive. I was actually recommended this by the fabric store that I got my fabric from, so they did a pretty good job on the other one. So the next thing that you're going to do after you have it all cleaned off and everything, you're going to cut your fabric to match. You make sure that you get a little excess around it, because you're going to wrap it around the edges and stuff like that, so you're like maybe an inch or 2 outside of the actual piece. Cut it, and then you want to wrap it. Keep in mind the indentations and whatever it is that you're going to be wrapping, because if you just lay it tight, it'll open that little indentation and then it'll do it. So that's what it is. slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. is where I take my clips. Like this. Make sure you still let it. And what I like to do is just go from the top. That's the bottom of the clip. That's how you do the initial wrap on it. It's all good. I'm gonna let this sit and fully settle for like the rest of the day. It doesn't really take that long based on the instructions of this. Yeah, it says to let it dry for about 10 minutes. So if you want to hurry up and do it, I'm gonna let it just do its thing for the rest of the day, probably a couple hours or something like that, before we come back, because the next step is going to be to trim all the excess that's under here and fully stick the back side of it. But so far we got it pretty good. We have one wrinkle right here that I couldn't get out, but for the most part, this one's better than the other one. But it's always easier to set that around. Yeah, let's do this thing and then we'll just get to the next step. All right, so the next part of this is trimming the excess. And so basically you're just gonna flip it over, take a razor blade and cut off all the little excess that's going around the bottom. And then you're going to use the spray adhesive on the back to make sure that everything's stuck before you do the final trim. So let's go ahead and knock that out. The back. Now the back you're not really going to need as many clamps as the front, because the back you don't really care about the look, you don't really care about wrinkles and stuff like that, because it's on the back of the panel. Nobody's going to be looking at that unless you just want to be that way. But the other thing with these, you want to put them in the areas that have like the high wrinkles and stuff like that. You want to use that extra force just to clamp down on it and stuff. And that's pretty much it for this. Now I'm going to switch to that panel right there to do the last step while this one does its thing. This one, I've already did all the steps you just saw. And you can see without the clamps, it's a lot more uniform back here, all this stuff is free. So with the last part of it is you want to cut these holes. So this is a bolt hole right here. There's another one right here. And that's pretty much it for this piece. So what I pretty much recommend doing is just cutting it from the back, and then, you know, you can take a razor blade for that stuff, but that's not going to be nothing too crazy, just so that you know, keep it functional and got the clamps on those two holes, but that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back, and then now you guys know how to do it. It's the same principle for all of these, with the exception of that piece right there. I'm gonna paint that one, it's not worth it. good to go. Got all the panels done, headlines, the door cards for the back, the A pillars, the B and C pillars are all wrapped and ready to go. So it's time to take this back to the garage and put it back in there. Guys, so we got it in. I'm not gonna do this one because I have to remount my power distribution box, but I do have all the pillars and the headliner and everything installed. Thank you. Here, let's go ahead and pop some flash on here so you guys can see a little bit better. But yeah, we got the crushed black velvet all across and all the way up the A pillars. There we go. So I'm pretty overall pleased with it. Two things that I noted is that I'm gonna have to cut that because it's thicker, so now it's not able to go all the way around. And if you want to know what I did with this strip, I just painted it black with regular black spray paint. I'm gonna have to cut that so that could be flush. And that was pretty much it as far as this goes. So, and I'm probably gonna dye the seat black too until I get a proper seat delete. So for now, this is how we're looking. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna leave it at that. And I'll just say like, comment, subscribe, follow the build. Till next time.